A lion walking through jungle filled with tall trees and lush foliage. Sunlight filters through the leaves, creating patches of light on the forest floor. The lion looks peaceful as the king of the jungle. The lion is caught in a hunter's metal trap, his expression filled with pain and frustration. The surrounding jungle looks darker and more ominous as he struggles to break free. Various animals like monkeys, birds, and deer look up, hearing the lion's powerful roar for help. They have worried expressions and gather around. Cautiously in the jungle. A Superman flies through the sky toward the jungle. With a confident, the animals look up in awe and hope. The superhero kneels by the lion, gently prying open the trap with his hands. The lion looks at him with a grateful expression, and the nearby animals watch in admiration. The freed lion bows his head slightly in gratitude to the superhero, who is standing tall with a gentle smile. The surrounding animals cheer and celebrate. The lion stands on a rock with his head held high, looking out over the jungle with a renewed sense of pride and peace. The superhero waves goodbye from above.
Goodbye!
And the animals gather around, looking joyful.
Maya sits on a crowded city street corner selling flowers, looking a bit tired but determined. Maya looks up at the skyscrapers with a hopeful expression, quietly whispering her wish for a better life. High above the city, Superman is flying gracefully, watching over the city. His superhero senses pick up Maya's whisper. Maya explains her daily struggles and dreams. Superman flies Maya and her family to a new home in a peaceful area. They arrive at a modest but comfortable home, where her mother receives medical care. Superman then takes them to a new flower shop he has set up for them. Maya, now dressed in a clean school uniform, stands in front of their flower shop with her family. She looks happy and determined, grateful for the changes Superman brought into their lives.